A very good morning, my dear children. Welcome back in this maths online class. Dear children, today we are going to continue Unit 7 Fractions. Today we will learn how to add and subtract like fractions. So let's get started. First of all, let's revise what are like fractions. Fractions with same denominator are called like fractions. Now, let's see how we add and subtract like fractions. Example, here are two fractions, 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. We have to add them. We just add the numerators of like fractions. To add the fraction, like for adding 4 by 5 and 3 by 5, we just add the numerators. Adding numerators, that is 4 and 3, we get 7. Okay. So, 7 by 5 is the sum of 4 by 5 and 3 by 5. Denominators remain the same. We just add the numerators to add the like fractions. Okay. Let's have a look at more example. Here we have another example. We have to add 8 by 9 and 6 by 9. These are like fractions as the denominators are same. So, we just have to add the numerators. That is adding 8 and 6. We get 14. Denominator will remain same. Okay. So, the sum of fraction 8 by 9 and 6 by 9 is 14 by 9. Now, let's see how we subtract like fractions. Example, we have to subtract 6 by 9 from 8 by 9. These are like fractions as denominators are same. Both are 9. We just have to subtract the numerators to subtract the fractions. Subtracting the numerators, that is subtracting 6 from 8, we get 2. So 2 by 9 is the difference between two fractions, 8 by 9 and 6 by 9. Here we have another example. We have to subtract 6 by 4 from 9 by 4. These are like fractions as denominators of both the fractions are same. We just have to subtract the numerators in order to subtract the fractions. Subtracting the numerators, that is subtracting 6 from 9, we get 3. So, our answer is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the difference between two fractions, 9 by 4 and 6 by 4. So, adding and subtracting like fractions is very simple. So, students, now you know how to add or subtract like fractions. If you have any doubt or any query, you just ask me in the group. Thanks for watching.